Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this tutorial, we're going to go over the live view. So the live view section contains quite a few things. The first thing we can notice is we have live sales and listings with the opportunity to fast snipe the items pressing this buy button. We have a few information such as the marketplace the item is coming from, price, name of the token, number of the token, and when it came. On hover, we can see that the green dot becomes yellow. That means that it gets paused. Once we remove the cursor from the box, the live listings and sales will resume again. On the right, the first chart we see is the listings wall. Up top, we can set the interval, and this usually has a default based on the collection's price that makes sense. So in this case, for example, we can hover on here and we can see that between 0 and 0.01 ETH, we have almost 1,600 listings. After that, between 0.01 and 0.02, we have 549 listings, etc. This is useful to see how thick the floor is and how many listings need to get purchased to be able to move on to a new price. Under that, we have the listings versus sales chart, which is basically a real-time sentiment analyzer where we can basically gauge the sentiment in the immediate short term. As we can see, we have 1 minute, 5 minute, and 10 minutes max, and we can see what the sentiment is in the immediate short term if we have more sales or listings. This is useful as it can be used for a scalp to understand if the price could go up or down in the immediate short term. Usually when there's way more sales than listings, the price tends to go up. When there's way more listings rather than sales, the price tends to go down. And so this can be useful for scalps in the immediate short term. This here is the max range of which we want to be able to filter these sales and listings. Because of course, if we have a sale or listing that's too high above the floor, it's not really going to influence the price, the floor price in the immediate short term. And the default is set to 20% above floor. You can also change this value manually. The other option other than columns is seeing it through bubbles, sort of spheres, circles, and hovering. We can see the amount of sales and listings, and the size indicates which one is bigger than the other. Moving down, we have the bubble chart, which basically shows us all sales and listings that have happened at the various prices. The red ones are sales and the yellow ones are listings, and they can be filtered as well, removing the sales or listings however we like to. We can also set the Y and X axis ranges we want to see, changing the minimum price and maximum price, and changing the time frame. Hovering on each of these sales or listings, we have a box with all information about that transaction. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next one.